Are you overwhelmed by constant messages in your WhatsApp groups? Want to take control and limit who can send messages? Great news! With the latest update on the WhatsApp PC app, you can easily prevent everyone from sending messages in your group. Let's dive into the simple steps to manage your group's messaging permissions. First, open your WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to manage your groups. Next, navigate to the specific group whose messaging permissions you want to change. Click on the group name to enter the group info. Once you're in the group info section, look for the permission option. This is where the magic happens. Click on permission, and you'll see a setting that says Send Messages. Here's the important part. Disable this option. By doing this, only group admins will be allowed to send messages. That's it. You've successfully restricted message sending in your WhatsApp group. This can help reduce clutter and keep conversations focused, ensuring that only the necessary information gets shared. If you ever change your mind, you can easily revert this setting by following the same steps. Just remember, giving this power back to group members can foster an inclusive atmosphere, so use this feature wisely. With these easy steps, you can enhance your group management experience on WhatsApp and keep the chats relevant. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy your organized WhatsApp groups.